so that he often looked at what was left of his hair, had growing in low tuft, veered into other territory. Gnosis.
We're all conferring at the airport. Welcome! Hey! Hey! Somewhere around... What is it?
Oh, this is the only post office in the US with a walk-in fridge?
Oh.
Yeah.
Getting our fishing license.
There's a designated
Quiet. Let's go camp.
Okay, where are the antelopes?
He's like,
Feels so...
is it 59 minutes?
Restricted access only.
Oh, there's so much water down here.
Like that scene in Shrek when the little birds are... Aren't they like singing and then he comes in and...
Smoothly.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you were talking to me. Oh, stop it.
We made it!
Yes, I do.
Hey.
It's a bubbling.
We have our fire going. We have our little town here. Jamorton. Lauren and Mark. Me and Drew all over there. Figuring out our camping meals. Got Kenny with his fish and buttermilk.
Fish in buttermilk, soaking, 30 minutes.
Mark's being very industrious.
I'm supervising Kenny's buttermilk.
Jamie's creating a home for himself, doing some home repair. Got a lot of packing going on.
Yes. That's it.
I don't know. Going shopping.
Off to the sunset.
What are you guys making?
Fish.
Here's our fire.
Kenny's frying up some fish.
Like Mexico, like the more
Yeah.
ends, like the end of their jaw is with their
Beautiful rainbows. The
Cheers.
fried striper and bass that we caught at Lake Powell yesterday.
Oh my god. Oh, it's so good.
That is good.
That's really
Thank you. Wow. Now that is some fish.
Just have it so natural.
Oh my god.
You can grab it or you can eat it.
Last rib on south rib. Where's your Okay, I thought it was just hanging.
Dinner time.
Oh.
Aww. Okay. What do you think?
Not a big deal.
It's very organy.
Yeah.
Clean plates.
Drop the head. Someone who actually knows what golden brown means.
Over there.
Okie time.
Alright, 7.5.
It's 6 a.m. Are Mark and Lo still sleeping? Wristbands. Thank you, Courtney. Thank you, Jamie.
One for me, one for my sister.
We're ticketed.
Wooed.
Woohoo!
The rafters are here.
Ready to go?
I've never seen such an...
There's that thing again.
Oh yeah.
Novelty Bev spotted by Mia.
She is the cold bev queen.
I just knew we had to have it.
Yeah. It's rare you see a brand new soda.
Little stop at Wallapai Market. Headed to the trailhead. What's it gonna open up to? More roads.
Okay, Lauren. Wolves are bigger than I thought.
You watched a lot of Hamilton as a kid.
Oh my goodness.
We're all staged.
You better use that.
We just did the, what, 1.5 mile descent.
There's horses coming over the road.
You're not allowed to take pictures of them.
Oh.
Guess what makes the holes in the rocks?
Wind. Well, they were talking about how some of the arches... Oh, wait. Actually, yeah, these seem like similar weathering to the arches, which can be caused by, like, freezing water entering the rocks and expanding and contracting.
And what's the difference between an arch and a bridge?
A natural bridge, oh, it's carved by water, whereas an arch, not carved by water flow. It could be carved by, like, water expansion.
And what's the difference between a canyon and a valley?
A canyon and a gorge? No, Bryce Canyon isn't a canyon. It's actually just a valley. More specifically, a natural amphitheater.
Because it wasn't made by
water.
Okay, and that's the geology lesson for today.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa!
That was cool.
Mile.
Wow, show us those guns, Kenny.
No thanks.
Couldn't find a campsite any closer.
Oh, hey. I'm not to find shade. Where?
Campsite here, Drew.
First water.
I think there's fish.
Yeah.
I think there's fish. Our first stream crossing. Ford, Ford, Ford.
2 miles to 25.
2 miles? It is a swimming pool. They just haven't put chlorine in.
That's a great rock.
You want to your house?
Yeah. Right where we have to wait?
I don't know.
The sand is rough. Oh my gosh, there's a rainbow. Our beautiful campsite. Oh, I mean, this is our satellite site. This is the main site. Let's see. Hello, hello. How's the main site?
It's going great. How's the satellite?
It's great. Snack time.
This is a huge campground.
Hey!
What's more crazy?
Put our little home here.
I'm gonna go back and get Jamie.
Yeah.
At that other spot and show him where we are.
Yeah.
Do you want to go back?
I think there's maybe some influenced by the idea that I have to put our beautiful campsite. Our neighbors. You guys seem super.
Your lowest vertebrae to the top. You want to extend it.
Chefs Mia and Drew. We're cooking up pumpkin for you today.
We're making rice bowls. We've got various types.
That looks so good.
We've got seaweed, miso soup.
Some spicy peanuts.
Ooh.
Courtesy of Courtney, Jamie.
We've got furikake.
Broccoli.
We have a secret dessert.
Chili crisp, you can't tell, but it's chili crisp.
In a sock.
In a glass jar. There's more. There's more than that even.
We'll come back to you when
yeah,
it's plated.
Yeah.
It looks really good. 6 ounces, I don't know. I think think that's good for now. Thank you.
May I?
Of course.
I got my leggings.
Wow.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix it up. Do you want some of this water? Peanuts?
Excellent.
There's a couple things. There's sardines. There's mackerel.
Section here, but you'll like it, I promise.
Do you have veal?
Yeah. There's mackerel in there. Yeah.
Thank you, Mia. I love this service, tableside service.
Tableside service. Thank you.
The final
That
bowl.
same little sleeve thing.
That's beautiful.
I might put a little chili. There's avocado.
That is good. Okay, we can have
Final liquids in the cleaning of this.
Wow. New campsite. New campsite.
Filling our waters at the spring. Good morning.
Good morning. We got a new campsite.
Kenny was up at 6 a.m.